Good morning. I'm going to answer a couple more questions about what I'm talking about with natural beaded rose. So I've already told you exactly what they are. They're like a seamless customized hair extension method using a beaded weft, but such insane detail to make it the most amazing experience possible for you and your hair. So one thing when people are asking me about this, they're interested in what it can do for them. What do I do? Can I wash my hair? Can I wear it up? Can I style it? How does it feel? Like, what happens? Like, what do I do? So first of all, yes, you can wash your hair. You can style it like normal. Extensions take a little bit of extra TLC. Any type of extra thing in your hair requires you to take care of it. So what I like to do is basically, if you've been in my chair anyway, I teach you how to shampoo every time I see you. It may seem completely over the top, but let's face it, I know that you need a good mom scrub every once in a while. And we all get into that habit. We just slap the shampoo on and we just scrub it and we go. So I use a particular brand called Moroccan Oil, and it is extremely thick and it's sulfate free and it's an amazing product. But in general, shampoo, no matter what, I think we all cleanse our hair the wrong way. So the way I teach it, I give you each a tutorial. So I'll just tell you right now, and the same goes for with your natural beaded rose hair extensions. You're gonna still use the same idea. So you put the shampoo in, use less than you need to, it's very concentrated. You're going to rub that in your hands, emulsify it, and then what I like to tell people to do is tip your head back slightly and then place your palms all the way through your scalp. It only takes a few different times. You put it all the way against your scalp, add a little more water, and then you start scrubbing. The problem is, especially with very concentrated products, if you just slap it here, which we're used to doing, you're gonna start scrubbing and you're not gonna be able to get those suds all the way around your scalp. And that's really what we're doing with shampoo, is we are cleansing your scalp. Conditioner doesn't go on your scalp, it goes on your ends. So same thing with conditioner, you're going to use the same amount. I always recommend the same amount as the shampoo you use, because you definitely need less than you're probably using. Emulsify it in your hands, grab your hair by a ponytail, and then put it through mid-shaft and ends. Work it through. There's plenty of product there. If you have a ton of extra hair, like you're rocking the 22s, you need maybe a little bit more. You just want to run it through gently. Just work it through. You don't want to be like scrubbing and rubbing. The product is designed to do its job. Let it do its job. So yeah, whether you have NBR or you just have normal hair, that's how I teach you how to shampoo. So I will be answering more questions. Stay tuned.